Hello, I'm going to walk you through the first set of exercises concerning nucleotide sequences. And we start by looking at an example from NCBI GenBank. So the example will relate to Zika virus. And number one is go to the GenBank nucleotide database and make a text search for Zika virus complete genome. So seeing that I have to search for this, I will immediately copy it. So to have the exact phrase, and having copied it, what is the meaning of the double quotes in the search text? So the meaning of double quotes is, of course, that the database is supposed to search for entries that have the complete phrase. Meaning not to search for just the individual words in isolation, which is what it might do otherwise. So let's open a new tab, enter GenBank, because that's what we need for our search, and in the NCBI database we can enter our search term in the search window, where we also can see on the left hand side that nucleotide database is where we are by default. Clicking on the search button will get to the result, and we can now go forward and answer the next question. So let's see what the question was. Click the first entry for the virus genome obtained, and how many base pairs does the sequence have, and what type of nucleotide is it? So if we follow that, click on the first entry, and then we can see that the information that we were looking for is already at the top line of the entry. It's 10,808 base pairs ssRNA, meaning single-stranded RNA, and all of this in a linear sequence. So having found the answer, we copy and paste it into our template. Three, what is the name of the corresponding protein product and what is its GenBank ID? So let's scroll down and see where the coding sequence is. If we see this coding sequence, there are two pieces of answer that we are looking for. Product is called polyprotein and its corresponding ID is AOR, and so on, some numbers. So if we just copy that from here, bring it into our, and then we can edit it slightly, make it slightly more beautiful, but it doesn't really matter. The answer is there, the product called polyprotein, and the ID is AOR 87336.1. 4. Go to the GenBank entry for the protein product of that genome, and how many amino acids does the complete protein product have, and from which host was it obtained? So let's see if we can answer this. So to get to the protein entry, there's a link here already on the accession ID, which will bring us to the right place. And where we can see that right at the top it says how many amino acids there are. So let's copy and paste that as an answer. And then the question is about the host of this virus. So if we go back and scroll down, cautiously checking what we have, we can see there's actually a line specifying us the exact answer that we need, namely telling us what the host is, in quotes, Homo sapiens, of course, symptomatic breastfeeding infant. So it's a child that has this disease already showing. So taking that information, we can paste it into our template.